Hello everybody and welcome to Docusnap. Today I will give you an overview of the license management features of Docusnap. License management is usually a quite unpleasant topic, I think. There's no overview, the licenses are somewhere else than the list of the existing systems, and everything just doesn't quite fit together. For that reason, we want to remedy this situation with Docusnap. Docusnap's many inventories provide a nearly complete overview of all systems, OS, software products, and so on present in the network. If you now match your purchased licenses, we have all data in just one place together. For this reason, Docusnap becomes a real single point of information. And how that looks like, let's check it live. Here you see the start screen of Docusnap, and I select the license management section on the left-hand side. As part of the automatic network inventory, Docusnap also identifies all software products installed in the network, including version numbers and hotfixes. We can view this list here, either sorted by manufacturer or by product name. I choose sorting by product name, and after only a few seconds, we get a very large list of all software products installed in our network. Using the button Assignment in the ribbon bar, I can now assign these products to existing licenses. I select the first one and start the editing by clicking the pencil icon. In the editing window, I can now, for example, add a description or flag the software products as undesired or not relevant for licensing. The software assignment window also offers other helpful functions. I can use this button to do an internet search for more information about the software product, or I can directly create a new license or assign the software product to an existing license. In the next step, I will go through a complete and very detailed license creating and assignment process with you. The Docusnap license wizard will support us. I would like to show you this using the example of a Microsoft Server 2019 license, and therefore I go to the domain, license management, groups, Microsoft OS Server, software products, and here it is. With the pencil icon above here, I can open the license wizard, and in the first step I can select a company and a location. In the second step, I select a group to which the license should be assigned. In our case, I'm already in the right place, and therefore I go on. Third point is a description of the software product. Here I can enter a name, a manufacturer, a version number, and further information. These are purely informative and have no effect on the later license assignment. In the next step, I receive a very extensive list of all inventoried systems in my network. But since we are creating a Windows Server license, I can exclude the workstations, for example. I do it here with a right click and enable a filter. And then I exclude all workstations. These are already selected, so I can go on. In the fifth step, it is possible to enter the responsible persons. 6. In the point product recognition, I first restrict to servers, that's already selected here, and then have the choice between 3 different filter modes. I choose the software list, and you can see on the right-hand side, when I scroll a bit here, that the Windows Server 2019 is already added. You can add new software products by searching here. I will show you that by the example of a 2016 license, and I get my results here and could add them by clicking this button. But since we don't need it and already have the 2019 server here, I'll quit and go on. In this step, you are now able to enter your purchased licenses. A license package is already stored here, and it's called License Microsoft Windows Server 2019. It's a volume license, as we see here, and it has 20 pieces. That looks good, so I continue. In step 8, I see my current inventory, and Docusnap automatically assigns licenses based on this. Furthermore, here and here, it is possible to add manual corrections, for example, for manually created IT assets. After that, we get a summary, we see our metric and our attributes here. Next, it is possible to add some contracts, for example, as PDF documents, as you can see here. And the last step, it is also possible to add comments to leave some messages for the colleagues. When I click Finish, the license will be created and the systems shown earlier will be automatically assigned to this license. This allows you to assign and manage your licenses in a very detailed manner. Afterwards, it is possible to check your current license situation using the Docusnap standard report. Let's take a look. Under our client, in the Reports section, we find the group's company report. And in this report, we also find our Windows Server 2019 licenses beautifully presented graphically. Another very helpful feature here is that this report, like almost all reports in Docusnap, can be scheduled and sent as a recurring job. The topic of license management is usually complicated and confusing. For that reason, it is important to us to support you in the best possible way. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.